Hello friends and welcome back to another nail art video, and today's video is about the Navaratri special nail art. These nail art are really easy to make. If you're not good at hand painting your nails, then you can use the stamp plate and create these beautiful nail art designs. You can use them as an accent nail, or you can try out different designs on your various nails. And the color palette that I've used over here is the red, white and yellow colors, which basically are the colors for Durga Puja. So I hope you enjoy all these easy nail art designs, and that's the end of my voiceover for now. And that brings me to the end of this video. Wishing all of you a very happy Durga Puja and Navratri. I hope you liked all these easy nail art designs, and thanks for watching.